Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you create a Twitter account without phone number verification. So first of all, you have to click on create account. Now, you have to enter your name, your email and your date of birth. Then click on next. Now again, you very simply have to click on the option that says next. So now you have to wait for a few seconds and then complete the authentication puzzle. Once you complete it, you will receive a code on your email. So you very simply have to enter that code. After that, you will have to create a password. Then you can skip your profile picture and then click on next. Then again click on continue and allow the access. Now you have to simply follow a single account on Twitter and then you will be able to easily create your account. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.